She's my ride or die, baby. She's my cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat.
Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip is for helping kids manage meals. This is just one video in a video series, so please take a look through the playlist to see what makes sense for your child. This tip is around kids who overstuff their mouth and what to do about it. One very common strategy that occupational therapists use is to have the child do a mouth wake up before a meal. So an easy way to do this is to give a child a carbonated water or some kind of a carbonated drink to help give the mouth some intensive sensory stimulation prior to actually eating. So this kind of wakes up the mouth, gives some good sensory input so that hopefully they are gaining more sensory awareness in the eating process, which hopefully will reduce the overstuffing. So if you haven't tried that, give it a try. It's an interesting strategy, and there'll be a lot more strategies for overstuffing. So please take a look at those as well.
Boots, likes to slow dance to some old school. She take a full moon on a city night.